3, 2, 1. So finally I bought this special edition WWE watch. Can you please open? Bismillah. So it comes with this big watch. So good. And this is a Universal Championship watch, the red edition. There was a black one also, but I got the red one with the black inside. The thimble is red inside, but this one is red and black one, and I got it for around 350 euros because it's now expensive. Previously it was 50 euros, but then WWE stopped giving them out. Then we got this card from WWE, certificate of authenticity. It's adult collectible, not a toy. So people usually put this in their. Then what should we say, Yusuf? Toy nahi kehte. My son is around me and he said, don't say toy, because he has his toys also. Yusuf, your dad is making a video. You can set time and you can. How to do? Just making. I think this is not waterproof. Made in China. And I went to the shopkeeper to remove this because it wasn't fitting in my hand.